Good morning, 5 Minute Traders. How are you? Trade idea today is Canadian dollar, the Loonie. But before I start, let me give you a little trivia question. What is the first country south of Detroit? And I'll give you a hint. Steve Perry sings a song, Don't Stop Believing. Born and raised in South Detroit, he says in the song. And the funny thing about that is Steve Perry is from the Bay Area, so he knows nothing about Detroit, except he, as somebody who grew up in Detroit myself, he played a lot there. Journey would play all the time, but South Detroit is actually the answer to the question that I just asked you, the riddle, which is which country is the first country that is south of Detroit? And there is no South Detroit, because south of Detroit, if you look on a map, and I'll tell you to pull it out, is Ontario. So it's separated by the Detroit River, and Canada happens to be right below us. So I bring that up only as a little bit of useless information that I have so many pieces of. But Loonie, I like the Loonie on the short side here. It's had a huge run. You can see here from, this is only looking at 1 month, but we're looking at 1 month, and it has gone from about 75, just above 75, up to 79, 475 here. Testing again another high, and it may go higher. I want to build into a short. I think this will trade back somewhere probably to the 77s over the near future, if not further. So with another bump today on Draghi speaking, I like the idea of taking a short on the Canadian dollar, aka the Loonie. So one thing that I will say, and let's take a look at the daily chart just so you can see this. This is it again. Very easily could run up here to point to 80 and change. We're at 79, so it's not too far. And just understand that, and then above that, you start looking at these levels, 81, etc. But I think this move is a little exacerbated just by everything that's going on in the world. All the currencies are just rolling up right now with the dollar down, and the dollar down. It's been getting crushed. So the dollar is down to the low 94s now, and this has been a boon for world currencies and obviously their trade, but it's bad for their markets. So interesting that when their currencies go up, I was looking at the DAX the last couple of days, and it's just been getting hammered, and that's really because the euro's been going up, up, up. So careful what you wish for. Draghi gets what he wants, which is all he wants is a higher euro, in his opinion, in the way he is rated as a euro fan, and that's his job, to pump up the euro. Again, it's kind of like listening to a realtor talk about real estate. All they want to do is sell you something. They don't care about it. They don't really understand the market. They're just brokers. So it's no different in this situation. They want their currencies up. So personally, Draghi wins. The people of Europe are losing. There's so many riots and things going on, and that's why you're seeing the pain over there. So back to the Canadian dollar, we want to short it here. 0.7945 is a good entry, in my opinion, and you just have some bullets, be ready to go up a little bit higher, possibly up to this point, 8350, 75 area. So that's the range that I would be selling it to. I would get a little on here and bigger piece up towards the top, but you're looking at a 2-year run here. It's just similar to the euro. The euro, by the way, is still in play. And we like that as a short. We've been trading it around, and took some again this morning, and offering just a bit higher here at 162 again, and we'll see if we fill that. So that's it. Have a great day, and as always, if you have any questions, drop me a line, Matt@OneMinuteTrader.TV. All right, take care. Well,